Sixth sum 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, etc. You know that first term is A1, 0.2. And how to find out the D, A2 minus A minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1, and one more we have to find out, that is A3 minus A2. So 0.22 minus 0.2 is 0.02. How means 0.22, 0.2 to 0.0. So they are getting like that. And 0.222, 0.222, like that you have to subtract 0.0. So you can able to see that 0.02 here constant, here 0.002 constant, but the D difference value, it is not same, so it is not an AP. We unable to find out the next three terms. In this sum D is not constant, we are unable to find out the other three terms. Like that 7th, 8th sum, 9th, 10th, you have to do it, copy from this and do it. Whatever doubt you can ask in next class. I think you can able to understand this. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12, they found out minus 4 minus 4, so same. So they found out other three terms. In that 8th sum also they got D is 0 0, so A5 A6 A7 they found out. 4 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0, 4 6 into 0, so minus half minus half minus half. Next here 9th sum 1 3 9 27. In this 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. They didn't get these, not same, so unable to find out other three terms. Like that we have to do till 10th sum. 11th sum A comma A square comma A cube comma A to the power of 4. A1 is equal to A, and D is A2 minus A1. In this A2 is A square and A1 is A. If this is different sum, in this common factor is A, that you should take outside of that things, A into A minus 1. After taking outside, you have to divide it first term by common factor, you will get A. The next A by A, second term by common factor is 1. Like that we got A minus 1. Then we have to move it another D, we should find out A3 minus A2. A3 is A cube minus A square. In this common factor is A square. After taking the common factor, you have to divide first term by common factor, cancel it, A to the power of 1. Next A square by A square, 1. This is A to the power of 1, this is 1. Now you can see that in this we are getting A into A minus 1. The D value, here D value is A square into A minus 1. Now you can understand, students, it is not same. So we are unable to find out other three terms. It is not an AP. Then move with 12th sum, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Root 2, the perfect square number. Root 8 is not perfect square number. Root 18 also not perfect square number. Root 32. We should convert into this way. Root 2, no need to split. Root 8, 4 2s are 8. What is 4 2? Or square root of 4, 2. Square root of 4 to square root of 2 you have to split. Square root of 4 is 2 into root 2. So how to write means 2 root 2. This is A2. Next we have to move with root 18. Root 18, 9 2s are 18. In this splitting, one of the numbers should be square root number. So like that we have to make that. Square root of 9 is 3 into root 2. This is A3. convert into this form. This is a1 is nothing but root 2, a2 is 2 root 2, and a3 is 3 root 2. That only I written here, root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, etc. Now we have to go with find out the d value. After converting this way, we should go with finding the d value. A1 is root 2 and a2 is, and we have to find out the d value. D is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to a2 means here what, 2 into root 2 minus root 2. 2 into root 2 minus root 2 means here meaning is 1 is there. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2 only. Next we have to move with a3 minus a2 for finding d. Here a3 is 3 root 2 and a2 is 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 root 2 or root 2, same. Now you could understand this d value is root 2. D value is root 2. Constant value. We are getting. So another 3 terms how to find out means the previous sum, the other 3 terms are 4 root 2, 5 root 2, 6 root 2, etc. Next 13 sum, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Root 3 we can't able to split as it is. A2 root 6, that also unable to split. And root 9 you know, this is the perfect square number 3. And A4 is root 12. Root 12, 4 into 3. I told you already one of the number will be square number. 4 into root 3. 4 into 3. Square root of 4 is 2 and root 3. This is A4. So we should frame that AP like this. This is A1 root 3, A2 root 6, and A3 is 3 and A4 is 2 root 3. Now we can able to say easily and able to get the constant value. Root 6 minus root 3, not able to subtract. Then next one is, this is what, A2 minus A1. The next one is A3 minus A2, unable to subtract. So it is not an AP. Next we have to move with 15 sum. 14 sum you can able to try, I think so. I think you can able to try 14 sum. I have explained here 15 sum. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73, etc. We have to expand this. 1 square means 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 73 as it is. And we know that how to find out the constant. A2 minus A1, 25 minus 1 is 24. Then A3 minus A2, 49 minus 25 is 24. And 73 minus 49 is equal to 24. Now you can observe here all the common difference will be same. So we can able to say that it is an AP. How to find out the other 3 terms? That you have to try it and complete it. Thank you, students. Now we will finish. This is the last sum. I think this much is enough today class. So we will meet next class. Thank you.